Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 25th, Tuesday morning, and we're starting out with that turnaround Tuesday type attitude. We've got some short covering in corn market. Outside markets are showing some strength here this morning, recovering from their sharp losses that they've had in the last several days. So a little bit of short covering here as we start out the day. The question will be, can we maintain that through the end of the session? The crop conditions report yesterday showed that we had an improvement in corn conditions in the good to excellent area, up to 65% good to excellent. Soybeans, 65% good to excellent. That was up 1%. And compare that to a year ago, when the soybean number, 53% good to excellent, 56% good to excellent in corn. So a much better crop conditions today than a year ago. And an example of that is the state of Illinois. We had 67% good to excellent yesterday, when a year ago we were feeling the effects of the dry conditions at 37% good to excellent. So much better crop conditions than we had a year ago, and I think traders are looking at that. But the main focus that they've got today and for the next couple days is the planted acreage report on Friday, the quarterly stocks report, the hogs and pigs report. All those numbers come out on Friday. But the planted acreage report, as we've heard from many traders, they're getting tired of talking about how many acres going to be moved around and from the corn to beans, pre-plant, prevent plant, and so forth. And once we get this number on Friday, we'll be able to then look at the real number, and that is this year that's going to impact production as much as any other number, and that is harvested acres. And what and how many acres are we going to harvest? Yield will be important, but harvested acres can be so much larger than last year because of the hopefully better conditions, non-drought conditions throughout the Corn Belt. So those are things that are affecting markets here today. We've got volatility. We expect volatility for the next several days as traders try to position themselves ahead of this report. Out of the last 6 years, I believe it is, we've seen limit moves up or down after this report. So traders are definitely positioning themselves for volatility. You as a producer, risk manager in your operation, you need to take some precautionary measures as well. And you can give us a call here at Allendale, and we'd help you try to work through that and lay out some strategies for you. In the livestock trade, cutout values in pork was up 114 yesterday. Futures is trying to keep up with the strength in the cash market, and the strength in the cash market certainly is providing that support for the pork complex. However, in the beef, cutout values there were mixed. Choice down 14, select up 36. The focus in beef is demand. If we can get several weekends of good weather where you can increase cookout, and demand for these primal cuts would certainly be supportive to the beef complex. But this weather systems and that continue to move across the upper Midwest here is causing havoc with the livestock industry as well as the grain production. So there's a lot of things going on, a lot of reasons to talk to an Allendale representative here in the next couple days as we go into these reports on Friday. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.